Welcome to the setup video of the One4All 16472 Smart Antenna. This video will explain how to position and set up your new antenna. First, connect the included power adapter into any standard 120 volts wall outlet. After this, connect the micro USB connector at the other end to the power inserter. The LEDs on the front of the antenna will blink a few times, whereas one LED in the center will remain on. Connect the coaxial cable attached to the power inserter to the antenna-in connector at the back of the TV or set-top box. This antenna can be installed standing upright, wall-mounted or flat. When mounting to a wall, you will have to drill 2 holes in your wall, whereas the distance between the center of the holes should be 180 millimeters. For this video, we will install it standing upright. By pressing the signal button on the side of the antenna, instant visual feedback is given by a number of LEDs lighting up for 30 seconds. The more LEDs lighting up, the stronger the signal. Please note, you may live in a weak signal area where the incoming signals are not at full strength, so not every LED will light up. However, it may still be sufficient to receive channels in good quality. Position the antenna as high as possible, close to or in a window and facing the direction of the TV towers for best reception. If you are not sure in which direction your TV towers are, please check channelchecker.com and it will tell you in 3 simple steps. Now you can perform a channel scan on your TV. Set the tuner mode of the TV to antenna first, then choose channel scan. With other TVs, this may be called auto program, auto tuning, auto scan or channel search in the setup menu of your TV. If the number of channels or the quality is poor, please change the antenna's position and repeat all steps. Remember to re-scan on your TV after you move the antenna. With these few simple steps, you have just installed the One4All 16472 Smart Antenna. Happy viewing!